Hi you guys, and thank you so much for tuning into my channel. So today I received July's Variety Fun Box. Do you want to know what's inside my box and what snacks I'm going to be snacking on this month? Stay tuned. Okay, you guys, so Variety Fun for July just arrived. They do send me this for review, so thank you so much, Variety Fun, for sending me your amazing snack box to show my viewers. So you guys, let's go ahead and dive in and let's see what we have for July. Let me get a better grip. So let's get in here and look. Snacks on snacks. Yeah. All right, so they do put this little paper right on top and it gives you some information about some Keto Nut Granola. Those look amazing. So that's what it looks like inside. So let's go ahead and see what we have. So I've never had these and they look really good, or they sound really good. These are Kettle brand potato chips cooked in 100% avocado oil, chili lime flavor. I'm so excited to try those out. Those sound amazing. So there's that. We have Andy Cape's cheddar fries. We have Jackpot sea salt popcorn. I have not tried that one before, so that's really neat. Here's another of the hot fries. So there's two of those. We have Ruffles cheddar and sour cream. These are like my favorite Ruffles. Let me tell you. And then here's my favorite Lay's, which is barbecue. We have some Scooby-Dooby-Doo. So we have some Scooby snacks. Here are Chips Deluxe Mini Rainbow. Okay, we have some hot fries. We have some mini Oreos. Dorito nacho cheese. They're my cheese. Nachos, they're mine. Here's some nacho cheese. Here are some crunchy Cheetos. We have some mini Chips Ahoy. Okay, so this is what that paper was talking about. This is that brand, Keto Nut Granola. This is blueberry cinnamon. Ooh, that looks really good. Oh, we have two more of these rainbow. So there's three of these total. We have Scrabble Junior Cheez-Its, two of those. We have Ritz Bites with cheddar cheese. We have vanilla wafers and vanilla wafers. We have some Teddy Grahams, some Fritos. I like the original Fritos. These are so good, and it's a big old thing of them. Here's some Grandma's vanilla cookies. Now from Munchies brand, I've never had them from Munchies brand. Here's real peanut butter cheese crackers. Now we have is my favorite, Grandma's cookies and peanut butter flavor, my all-time favorite. Now here's the Munchies peanut butter, but they're on regular crackers instead of the cheddar cracker. They're just on a regular cracker. Crazy cracker. And we have two Mott's flavored fruit like gummies. Then we have two Nutrigrain breakfast bars, one of them in strawberry and one of them in blueberry. These are really good. Oh, there's one more. There's one in apple cinnamon. Ooh, we got all three flavors. I don't know if they have more, but that's like the three main flavors that I always see anyway. Here is chewy dark chocolate chunk, chocolate chip, and peanut butter. So you have three of these different flavors. And then now we have three different airheads. We have grape, watermelon, and blue raspberry. You know which one I'm hiding. So there's that. So that is all the snacks for my July box. This is my snacks on snacks, and there's so much in here, you guys. I always tell you, I don't know how they get it all back in all nice and neat. I could never do it. Okay, so if you want to know a little bit more about Variety Fun, they have two different types of boxes. They have this one, which is all the classic snacks that we all know and love. And then they have a healthy option. I know a few of you guys said you wish they send me that one. I don't have an option. They just send me what they send me. It would be nice to see that eventually. So you can kind of see what the healthy options would be, but they do have that option. So the healthy option, it's called the Fit Box. That's 30 healthy snacks, and that's $39.99 a box. It brings it down to $1.33 per snack, and you will get things like kettle chips, think jerky, skinny pop, Laura bars, RX bars, and so much more. Or they have this one right here, which is the fun box. You get 40 classic snacks. It's $24.99. Both are free shipping. And you get that brings it down to like 62 cents per snack on this one. And then you get your classics that you know and love, like Lay's, Cheez-Its, M&M's, cookies, Sour Patch, and so much more. They also donate thousands of snacks every month. And you can also do it once a month, or you can do it twice a month. And if you have an office and you want to get a big box to have for your staff, they do have like corporate boxes on their website as well. You can get like a big box full of stuff if you wanted to have it in your office. So you can definitely check them out. The link will be down below. You can use SheCrafty to get 30% off your order, which is amazing. 30% off your entire order when you place your first box. This box is great if you have kids at home, if you do daycare, if your kids have their friends over, if there's sporting events, which right now I know that's probably all kind of like stopped for a while. But this is an amazing way to have snacks in your house and you stay indoors safe and sound where you belong. And it's always a huge variety. So there's always going to be something in there that you or somebody else might like, because you get a huge variety of all the stuff inside with different flavors, all of that good stuff. So comment down below. Let me know, what did you think of this month's box? Do you get variety fun? Do you want to get variety fun? Let me know the details down below. Your positive interaction means the world, and I greatly do appreciate it, as I greatly appreciate every single one of you guys. So until next time, you know that drill. Keep a smile on that gorgeous face of yours, and I will see you on the next one. Bye. Crafty crew, out.